Hi there! Welcome to Team Laika, where we try to help you prepare better for your next exam. And yes, if you love learning, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Dali na. Dali. Kung nagawa mo na, okay na. Kung hindi pa, sige na. It'll take a few seconds lang. Okay. Alright. Now, we're good to go. Again, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina sa intro, we're going to learn how to figure out kung ano yung remainder when you divide numbers kahit gaano yan kalaki by 9. Now, we talked about kung paano yun gawin with 3 last time. If you haven't seen that video yet, ililink ko na lang din sa taas. Pero ngayon, specifically, it's about 9. Alright, let's dive right into it. Sabi dito, what is the remainder when you divide 3,849 by 9? Now, ang long division na method nito would be just to go and divide it. I'll just show you really quickly para meron tayong point of reference sa haba ng process na ito. So, we're going to take 3,849, divide that by 9. We're going to go left to right. 38 divided by 9, it's going to give us 36 kung 4. So, subtract natin siya dyan. You're left with 24. Ilang 9 ang kasya sa 24? That would be 2. Maminus natin yung 18. Maiwan yung 6. Ibababa natin yung 9. 69 divided by 9 is going to give you 7. Tapos, 63. Babawas natin sa 69. Naubusan tayo na space. I-move natin siya. Ayan. Okay, 69 minus 63 is going to give you 6. Okay? So, remainder 6. Now, obviously, it'll take some time. I know you can figure that out. I know kaya nyo naman siyang makuha. Pero kung mag-exam ka, kailangan mo na mas maikling oras para ma-solve yung mga problems like this so you can devote it to other more time-consuming problems like word problems. There is a trick to this. Now, yung speed technique natin relies on you knowing kung ano ba yung rules pagdating sa divisibility ng 9. If you haven't seen that video yet, ilink ko na lang dito sa taas. May quiz din yan. And of course, you will learn about the other numbers din. Isang buong playlist na yan. Sasabihin ko na lang sa inyo yung divisibility rule when it comes to 9. Now, ang rule sa divisibility ng 9 is this. If the sum of the digits of a number are divisible by 9, then that number is divisible by 9. Ibig sabihin nun, titingnan natin yung 3,849, i-add natin yung 3, 8, 4, and 9. So, 3 and 8 is 11, plus 4, 15, plus 9 is 24. Now, yung 24 na yan yung sum nung digits na 3,849. Now, ang 24 ba divisible by 9? Hindi. Kasi, kung i-divide ko tong 24 sa 9, ang lalabas would be 2. 2 times 9 is 18. So, subtract ko siya dyan. And meron kang remainder na 6. Now, the fun part here is like nung sa divisibility by 3, kung ano man yung remainder dito, yun din ang remainder dun sa big number, which is 3,849. And kung babalikan nyo yung ginawa natin kanina, nag-long division tayo, pareho naman yung sagot. 6 pa rin. Level up natin ng konti. 28,360. So, ang gagawin lang natin, 2 plus 8 plus 3 plus 6 plus 0. 2 and 8 is 10, 3 and 6 is 9, plus 0, that is 19. Now, kung naguluhan kayo doon, I have a technique called chunking. Ililink ko na lang din yung speed math video natin dito sa taas kung medyo naguluhan kayo doon sa ginawa ko. Pero, again, you can add it naman din ng left to right, 19 din ang lalabas. 19 divided by 9 is going to give you 2. 2 times 9 is 18. Pag sinubtract natin yan, may remainder ka na 1. So, ibig sabihin nun, yung remainder na 1, yun din ang remainder for this big number. The remainder is 1. Now, if you know this and you see it sa exam, di ba, it'll save you a lot of time. Imbis na magdi-divide ka pa, imbis marami ka pang gagawin. Bonus na siya sa'yo kasi madaling-madali na to at mabilis mo pa siyang masosolve. Okay? Now, if you're ready with your pen and paper para mas masolidify natin yung knowledge, it's time for your quick quiz and your timer starts now. Alright, let's see how you did. Alright, let's start with number 1. Nilagay ko sila sa gilid. I'll show you what I do pagdating sa exam na allowed kang magsulat doon sa mismong booklet para hindi ka na magre-rewrite. Dito na ako naglalagay. So, 2 plus 3 plus 9 plus 3 plus 0. 2 and 3 is 5. 9 and 3 is 12. So, 5 plus 12 na lang. That is 17. 17 divided by 9. Hindi naman kasya ang dalawa. Isa lang. So, that would be 17 minus 9 or 8. Remainder 8. Again, itong part na to, pwede nyo nang i-mental yan. Sinulat ko lang para mas maging visual sa inyo, mas maintindihan. Now, yung second naman, sabi ito, 83,477. Looks daunting, pero i-add lang natin yung lahat ng yan. So, 7 and 3 is a 10. 8 plus 4 is 12. So, we already have 22. Plus 7, that is 29. Divide natin siya sa 9. Kasya ang tatlo. That would be 27. Pag binawas ko siya dyan, this will leave me with a 2. So, ang remainder niya ay 2. Next is this huge number here. Add lang natin siya. Yan. This is 10. This is going to give us 12. So, this is 22 divided by 9. Now, ang closest dyan would be 2, 18. Subtract natin siya. Remainder is 4. Or, if you're quick with your eyes, you would also notice this. Kung some of you ginawa to, that's great. Ang 9 tsaka 18 kasi parehong divisible na yan sa 9. Kung puro 0 ito, automatic divisible siya sa 9. So, itong apat na natitira ditong butal, sila actually yung remainder na 4. So, that could also be a way for you to work things out for huge numbers. Okay? So, ang sagot, 8 to 9. Now, I hope you got all of those questions correctly. If you didn't, that's okay. I'll be posting more questions on my Instagram account, on my other social media accounts, so go ahead and follow those. And if you want more practice, kaka-restock lang namin. We have the practice test booklets and the workbook. Available sila sa Facebook page ng Team Laika online. And right now, doon lang sila available. So you can message us at m.me/Team Laika or go to our Facebook page. Type nyo yung Team Laika. Make sure that it's the official channel. Message us there and we'll walk you through how you can get your own copy. Sa lahat ng mga bumili na at nagre-recommend sa mga friends nila, I know kalalabas lang nung results for the March 2023 exam when I'm making this video, kaya medyo flooded kami. Actually, na out of stock twice yung aming books itong past week na ito. So, yeah. Thank you sa inyong lahat. And of course, everyone joining the online review program, everyone supporting this channel, thank you sa inyong lahat kasi you're helping us make sure that we can keep providing free content like this to you and everyone else who has a dream and needs to pass these tests para magkaroon sila ng opportunity. So, salamat ng marami sa inyo. Okay? Alright, that's it muna for now. As we always see sa channel to, never stop learning. Aja, kaya niyan. I'll see you in the next video and bye for now.